Well, I think this gives you a sense of the impressive productivity of the biopharma and device sector, and should also give you a sense of how difficult it is for the committee to decide on the final awardees. To tell you about one set of the awards, a parallel track to the biopharma track, I'm going to invite my esteemed colleague, Bernard Poussot, to come to the podium and tell us about the other categories. Please, Bernard.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bernard Poussot, Committee Chair for the categories Best Medical Technology, Best Digital Health Solution, Best Incubator Accelerator Equity, and Best Startup.
Good evening. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln. Never, ever have I felt this quote as relevant as a day like today with what we've been hearing, what we've been rewarding, and what the future is about in our field. 8 years ago, the Galien Foundation decided to expand its scope and to start rewarding early innovation. You know, innovation at its early stages, when it's difficult, when it's solitary, when it's complicated, certainly in need of fundings. And for the Galien Foundation to shed light on this phase, so crucial for our industry and certainly for the future of mankind, was a great move. So we started to create a jury to that effect and started with rewarding the best startups, followed by the best digital health projects, best incubators, accelerators, or equity, recently created last year, actually. And then there's a fourth category for which this jury was engaged this year. It's Medtech, and as you've heard, this award will be revealed later tonight. But the first three were granted today, and I was very happy to have Penny Heaton and Alex Gorski, who are a member of this jury, to give those awards with me to their winners. Great moment we had. It was a wonderful crowd, and certainly we were excited about the innovations we were rewarding. I will tell you, it's a daunting task for a jury like this to decide who is going to win those awards. It's only, a few winners, a lot of nominees. We had more than 130 applications this year, our record. And it was not just the number, it was also the quality, and more importantly, the potential to disrupt. That was mind-boggling. So those are projects that when you read them, you get goosebumps often. And you certainly would like them to happen tomorrow. Very exciting stuff. I can only report that the convergence of biology with digital, genomics, electronics, miniaturization, all these technologies converging to stimulate the creativity of our scientists and entrepreneurs. It's mind-boggling what we saw in those applications this year. The jury was fascinated by what we saw, ranging from advanced gene writing tools, applying to DNA, RNA rewriters for more precision medicine in some very serious hereditary symptoms and diseases, self-neuromodulation, digital therapy for PTSD management, and technology that can apply to many more diseases to come. AI enhancement of heart mapping to help guide surgeon during catheter ablation for AF patients, so more precision, more ability to map the heart electrically, but also anatomically. Fantastic added value to this procedure. Digital integration to clinical trials and product development to develop, decentralized recruitment of patients, accelerating the recruitment and, shortening the finish line. And lastly, an incubator that is able to be focus and a catalyst of innovation in the region of Africa. So, you look at, this is just to list a few. It's only one of some of the most impressive innovators that we are rewarded. But it's mind-boggling what's going on. And over the last 8 years, we see an acceleration of the abilities that we now have in combining such talents and technologies, to tackle the most difficult diseases. So a lot remains to be done, but it was exciting. I just wanted to report on that with you all. So that brings me to the jury. I can't tell you how much I appreciate the jury members and what they do with us. We've assembled this jury with people who have a tremendous collective, sum of experiences in nurturing innovation, acquiring, licenses and products and making them, to the finish line during their career. So it's been amazing to put this jury together. And I can't thank you enough for the time you give for this. I will tell you that 1/3 of the Galien prizes ever granted are companies represented on this jury. So the jury members know about the Galien prize value. They know what it means. And in return today, they give back and grant those prizes to others. It's been a really good experience. Let's maybe introduce the jury members to you. It's a short video.
Prix Galien USA 2023 Awards Committee in the categories Best Medical Technology, Best Digital Health Solution, Best Incubator Accelerator Equity, Best Startup. Bernard Poussot, Committee Chair, Board Member, Roche Holding and Cargill Inc., former Chairman and CEO, Wyeth. Roch Delivu, Honorary CEO, UCB. Michael Dolston, Chief Scientific Officer and President, Pfizer Research and Development. Alex Gorski, former Executive Chairman, Johnson & Johnson. Penny Heaton, Global Therapeutic Area Head, Vaccines, Janssen. Sherry McCoy, Board of Directors, AstraZeneca, former CEO, Avon. François Maison-Rouge, Senior Managing Director, Evercore Partners. Joel S. Marcus, Executive Chairman and Founder, Alexandria. Elias Zerhouni, former Head of Global R&D, Sanofi.
Okay, so this is the jury. And I'm happy to say that Ken Frazier will join this jury starting from next year. So we're very happy with that. So thank you very much for the job done. But 136 applications, we needed help, and we have formed advisory boards and subcommittees to basically screen all these applications and basically identify the nominees. This work of the jury would not be possible without the tremendous help we got from the members of these committees. So I'd like to thank you on behalf of the jury and also show you who is on the list of those committees. Could we have a short video or slide on that? There we go. I hope you could visualize the amount of expertise, knowledge, passion that we have in those teams. I mean, they've done a fantastic job for us. Thank you. Thank you. Now, let me share with you a summary of today's ceremony, what we did this afternoon. I was very pleased that, as I said, Penny and Alex could be on stage with me to give those awards. We put together a short video to basically summarize what happened.
On October 26, 2023, The award ceremony for Best Incubators, Accelerators, and Equity, Best Digital Health Solution, and Best Startup was held at the Alexandria Center during the Galien Forum. The nominees for the Best Incubators, Accelerators, and Equity category are as follows. This award acknowledges institutions that are shepherding the new generation of innovators by offering mentoring, expertise, guidance, and access to advanced life science innovation. This year's Best Incubators, Accelerators, and Equity winner is Vilgrow Africa. Vilgrow Africa is an incubator and impact investor supporting emerging healthcare businesses in Africa. They offer emerging companies a personalized incubation experience to scale ideas and navigate the ecosystem. The nominees for the Best Digital Health Solutions category are as follows. The world of healthcare is continuously evolving, and digital health solutions have taken center stage, recognizing innovation that has demonstrated extraordinary potential and impacted how we approach healthcare. The Best Digital Health Solution Award goes to Medable. Medable provides end-to-end global cloud platform with tools that allow sponsors, patients, providers, and CROs to work together as a team in clinical trials. The following category is co-presented by the Galien Foundation and Business France, the national agency supporting the international development of the French economy. The nominees for the Best Startup Award are as follows. With 64 nominees from around the world, this category encourages and rewards the most promising startups in healthcare. The program brings together innovators and stakeholders to promote rapid growth and develop emerging innovations to improve human health. In the past decade, this has resulted in tremendous opportunities for all alumni. The Best Startup Award is given to 3 laureates. The winners are Grey Matters Health. Grey Matters Health develops digital self-neuromodulation therapies for mental disorders, beginning with PTSD. Tessera Therapeutics. Tessera Therapeutics is pioneering gene writing, a new genome engineering technology that writes therapeutic messages into the genome to treat diseases at their source. Volta Medical. Volta Medical leverages artificial intelligence to revolutionize interventional cardiac electrophysiology. Its cutting-edge software solutions use machine and deep learning algorithms to assist operators during cardiac ablation procedures. The success and recognition we are celebrating today would not be possible without the selection committee. Lastly, thank you to the dedicated team of individuals who pre-screened all applications in the 3 categories before submitting the shortlist. Their efforts contributed to a truly memorable event for all involved. Thank you to all the nominees for your valuable contributions to the life science industry, to the ultimate benefit of patients worldwide.
Pretty exciting stuff. I'd like to ask 3 members of the jury who are with us tonight to come and join me on stage. So that's Penny, Alex, and Michael Dalston also. Would you please join me? And we're presenting you the winners of today's prizes. Remember those names: Medable, USA, Vilgrow Africa, Kenya, Grey Matters Health, Israel, Tessera Therapeutics, USA, Volta Medical, France. Bravo. Thank you very much. Now it's my pleasure to turn the podium back over to Mike Rosenblatt. Thank you very much.